Okay, so the first step for our sweater is actually just taking Ken and then tracing his torso
or body, upper body on a piece of fabric. So basically, I'm just laying him here and I want the edge of the fabric to be the edge of his sweater. So then I'm going to take a marker and I'm just tracing around his body.
And then we can cut that out. Now we're going to take that piece of fabric and then we're going to trace it on another piece of fabric, except the second piece is going to be slightly bigger. Holding both of them together, we're going to go ahead and cut out a little U shape for Ken's neck. Now on the top, we're going to apply some glue to attach these two together. So I'm applying some glue here at the top, and then I'm just going to take this piece and I'm going to press it just like this. After the glue dries, I'm going to go ahead and fold it back over. Now it's time to work on the sleeves. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a piece of fabric and I'm actually going to measure by wrapping his arm around the piece of fabric to see if this will work. This does, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. And now that we have this piece, we can go ahead, take a piece of fabric, trace it, and then cut out another one. So now we have two pretty identical pieces. Take the shirt, and now we are actually going to flip it over. So we're taking our glue and applying some to the top. After we apply some to the top, I'm just going to go ahead and press it down to the middle of a piece of fabric. Like that. So we should have a shape like this. Now for the last step is actually folding everything in half and gluing it all together. So I'm actually starting with the sleeves first because I find it a little bit easier. Applying a little bit of glue. And make sure you go all the way down the sleeve. Then we're going to just fold it over.
And we're actually going to do the same thing with the body piece. So we're just going to take the glue, start from like the armpit, and then we're just going to go down.
Same thing on the other side. Now I'm taking the top piece and I'm just folding it over to match the other side with the glue. Now you actually want to fold the shirt inside out so that way we have these nice smooth pieces. And that is what the shirt looks like on Ken, and I think it looks spectacular, and that's the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, it would be so helpful if you gave me a big thumbs up and left me a comment knowing that this was helpful and that it looks good on your dolls. Also, I would love to hear what you guys want on my next tutorial. Also, make sure to check out my brand new series called Barbie and Ken dolls, and I'll link it down in the description box below. And I actually use this Ken doll, and maybe you'll even see this shirt. So yeah, make sure to go check out all the episodes. Also, make sure to click that red subscribe button down below, tap all the bells. Well, there's only one, but tap the bell that says all for all of my notifications, and that way you guys are notified whenever I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! And also share it with your friends because this video is kind of helpful. Bye!